Welcome back to Cab's Kitchen, where we're taking a flavorful journey through South Asian cuisine with our desi duck spicy curry. Begin by cleaning and cutting the duck, then sauté onions, garlic, and ginger before adding our signature spice blend of cumin, coriander, turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala. Let the duck soak up these aromatic flavors as it simmers in a rich tomato and chili sauce, creating a dish bursting with warmth and depth. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve alongside steaming rice for a taste that'll transport you to the bustling streets of South Asia. Join me next time for more culinary adventures, right here on Cab's Kitchen. Happy cooking!